My basement flooded. It was a foundation issue. I have vinyl plank flooring here in my basement. I'm going to show you what I did to resolve the issue. I had water under my vinyl plank flooring, and of course that's not ideal. You got to get that water out of there. I didn't want to take up all the flooring. Luckily for me, a lot of the water was localized in one particular area, and this is what I did. Maybe it'll help you. My vinyl flooring has a rubber back, so that was great. There's no underlay between that and my concrete floor in my basement. That was a bonus. So hopefully this helps you. This is what I did, okay? So first off, I took off my vinyl planks. I numbered them so I know exactly what order to put them back in. Same thing with my trim. For me, my water came from the front and was all in this area, stopped here. That's how I knew I could see the water pattern. Kind of went like this, and I knew it didn't come from the back of the house. I knew it came from the front. Sometimes if you want to determine where the water is coming from, you got to get up enough planks to see if it's not a plumbing issue and it's a foundation issue. That kind of helps you determine. I took up the planks, like I said, I numbered them, numbered the baseboards. The water was primarily here in this hall area. Like I said, came from the front, filled the closet, and here. So what I did was, I had a dehumidifier down here already, which is great. It's great to have a dehumidifier to take moisture out of your basement spaces. I went up and I picked up, I already had a blower fan from previously, and I went up and picked up another one. This one is 600 CFM. This one I believe is only 400 or 450 CFM, which is just the power at which the fan blows. This one I got from Costco was about $85. This one I bought from Home Depot. It was about $130 Canadian. Okay? So what I did at Home Depot, I picked up some strapping, some 1x2 strapping here. So I hope it's, my camera's gonna have a fun time focusing. I was trying to focus on 12 different things. But I picked up some 1x2 strapping and I cut it on a slope. And what I did is I stuck this under the floor, and then I had my blower fans blowing into the spaces. So I had 4 pieces of this stuck under my vinyl floor as far as I could force it, just to get at that water that was all in this space. And of course that created a gap by sticking it in. That's why I needed the slope, so it's easy to get underneath there. See what I'm saying? So I stuck it in so it went in width. Tried to avoid breaking any seams. It actually worked. Okay? So that ran the distance. Same thing this way. I stuck another piece here, another piece here, another piece here, and then I had my fans blowing underneath. It cleared up all the water. It's all nice and dry. Pulled it all out. Again, have the fans going in between. I moved them around to make sure all that water was clear underneath. I left it for a few days. Now everything is pretty bone dry. I'm happy about it. I'm not happy about the foundation issue, but I think maybe that was a freak occurrence because of the way the snow melted so fast and the rain was hitting the house a particular way that day. That's no excuse. The foundation needs to be looked at, so I will address that on another day. But hopefully this helps you. Again, blower fans are awesome. A must. I'm gonna keep the rigid one I bought too, so I'll just have 2 in case this ever happens again. So that's it. Dehumidifier is gonna keep running. That's also from Costco. That's a Danby. I believe this unit was, honestly I don't even remember. Pretty sure it was under 200 bucks. It was on sale. It's an awesome unit. It works really well. And yeah, hopefully this helps you. Vinyl floor, water underneath, solution, strapping, Stick it underneath there, get your fans blowing, circulating that air under there, dry out that water, you're good to go.